When looking at whether Questrade Plus offers a free trial, the short answer is yes. Questrade provides promotional trial access opportunities for its Questrade Plus tier, allowing eligible clients to test out advanced features, enhance market data, and premium platform tools before committing to a paid monthly subscription. To qualify for a trial or promotional period, you typically need to have an active self-directed or QuestWealth portfolio account in good standing. During this trial window, subscribers get full access to the package benefits, such as expanded market data feeds, specialized research tools, and other exclusive platform perks, without immediate billing. It is important to review the specific terms of the promotion when you sign up, as automatic billing for the standard monthly fee usually begins once the promotional period concludes, unless you cancel beforehand through your account management settings. If you are an active Questrade Reserve member, access to Questrade Plus may also be included as part of your tier benefits at no extra cost. Always verify the current terms directly on the official Questrade platform before enrollment to ensure you have the most up-to-date details on eligibility and billing schedules. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.